Hi everyone, I'm Ben.
And I'm Jacob.
We're going to be running through some installation advice and showing you just how easy it is to fit your air suspension kit.
Today we got the brand new NP300 Navara. We're going to be fitting the Coil Helper high pressure kit to the rear end. It's going to be seeing a little bit of load on the rear, so this kit's just going to make sure we maintain a nice, safe and level ride height at all times.
Take it away, Jacob.
Let's do it. It is recommended that only a properly qualified person installs the product and carries out maintenance. If you are not qualified and attempt to carry out such work, ensure that all safety equipment is used and safety standards are met.
Before fitting your air suspension, make sure you read through your step-by-step instructions that are supplied in the kit. If you have the high pressure kit, make sure you slide the high pressure sleeve over the airbag before inserting it into the coil spring.
Now that you've read through the step-by-step instructions, it's time to prepare the vehicle. As you can see, we've got the suspension fully extended. This is going to make it much easier for the airbag install. Start by grabbing the high pressure sleeve in the airbag and sliding the airbag into the high pressure sleeve. You'll then grab the protector spacer. This is going to sit on top of the airbag with the countersunk hole facing the fitting. This is just going to make sure it protects the tubing and fitting connection. Once you've done that, you'll grab the heavy duty nylon tubing, cut the tubing nice and square with either a tube cutter or a Stanley knife. You'll then grab the tubing and pop it into the fitting of the airbag itself. It'll make a popping sound, so that'll just make sure it locks in nice into place. Once you've connected the tubing, you want to run the tubing through the largest coil spacing and up into the upper spring seat. Let's show you how it's done. Before routing the airline, you'll notice there is a heat shield that comes in the kit. As you can see here, we've got one pre-mounted already. This is just going to prevent any heat damage to the airbag. Now that we've run the heavy duty nylon tubing from the airbags to the pre-mounted inflation valves at the back, it's time to run you through a few extra tips on how to perform a leak test.
When routing the airline, ensure you keep away from any sharp edges and heat to prevent any leaks from occurring. For a secure connection, make sure you use either a Stanley knife or an Airbag Man tube cutter for a nice clean cut every time. To perform a leak test, grab yourself some soapy water in a spray bottle and spray all fitting and tubing connections. Now that your kit's been fully installed and leak tested, it's important to refer to the last page of the installation instructions for the specific airbag operating pressures.
Now that your kit's ready to go, to adjust your airbags you can go to any local service station, or with the convenience of onboard air, you can check out our massive range of air controls that can be easily adapted to your air suspension. If we don't have a kit that meets your requirements, the team here at Airbag Man can create a custom kit to suit you.
There we go guys, thanks for watching. Now remember, bag it with the best.